If you are ready to stop scraping burnt edges off your pans and finally enjoy a baking experience that is as easy to clean as it is to use, the Caraway Nonstick Ceramic Bakeware Set is the ultimate upgrade. This 11-piece collection is not only stunningly beautiful in its slate finish, but it's also designed to solve the biggest frustrations in the kitchen: stuck-on food and difficult cleanup. What sets Caraway apart is their commitment to non-toxic, healthy cooking. Unlike traditional non-stick pans that rely on questionable chemicals, Caraway uses a professional-grade ceramic coating that is completely free of PTFE, PFOA, and other harsh toxins. You get the perfect non-stick slide, but with complete peace of mind for your family's health. Here is why this set is a must-have for your home: the complete bake-ready ecosystem. This isn't just a random assortment of pans. You get everything you need to be a pro baker: baking sheets, loaf pans, muffin tins, a square pan, a cooling rack, and even an ingenious storage system to keep everything organized and protected from scratches in your cabinets. Superior aluminized steel. The bodies are made from high-quality, heavy-duty aluminized steel, which provides excellent heat conduction. Your cookies, cakes, and roasts will bake evenly every single time. No more hot spots or unevenly brown bottoms. A dream to clean. Because of the advanced ceramic coating, food literally slides right off. You'll spend far less time scrubbing at the sink and more time enjoying your creations. Sleek, modern aesthetic. The slate finish is minimalist, elegant, and looks fantastic in any modern kitchen. It's bakeware that you don't feel the need to hide away. It's practically part of your kitchen decor. Whether you are a seasoned baker perfecting complex sourdoughs or someone who just loves a simple batch of cookies on a Friday night, this set makes every step of the process more enjoyable. It is built to last, designed for performance, and engineered to make your kitchen life significantly less stressful. If you are ready to elevate your kitchen with bakeware that finally works as good as it looks, you can find the best price for the Caraway 11-piece nonstick ceramic bakeware set by clicking the link below.